tired. It's a lot. Oh, alrighty. Let's try that. Oh, uh, okay. Okay. All right. So, all right, my audio is working. So, yes, I must apologize. Yesterday I tried this and the audio just wasn't there. Let's give this another shot and see what happens. It would be nice to see that this thing actually works, right? I'm really hoping, right? Hold on. Let's do this first. Share sound, right? Optimize for video clip. Perfect. All right. No. Oh, yeah. Let me apologize for that too. All right. Let's do the announcements. All right. Let me see if this thing actually plays. We're going to skip to the audio part. So let me skip to that to see if we have are we live? If you ever knew the amount of work that goes into making these videos, like seriously, look at this. Look at this. You see that? See that? Just the All right, so just to let you know, this is a vote. So you can always press the WhatsApp button and let me know which of those times you prefer. All right, so just letting you know. All right, so just please let me know if this timetable is okay for you. Yes, so if you can read all of this, I'm hoping, right? I'm hoping my writing is big enough, right? My Caribbean neighbors are, hold on. So as I was saying earlier, my Caribbean neighbors are also welcome to joining my online classes by pressing the WhatsApp button above the comment section for further details, right? Just extending the invitation because I received my first WhatsApp message from someone from Trinidad and Tobago. So that's a first, and I have to celebrate it by extending the invitation to, you know, anyone else in the Caribbean that's interested in doing classes with me online. And I will announce how it is that I'll go about doing so. All right. So thanks for supporting me. Okay, so finally we're at the question of the day, right? And just so that we know, right? Okay, so we need to see the similarity between this and all right, so now the purpose of me writing these is so that we understand that the same way in which we approach doing these rates of conversion is the exact same way we're going to deal with foreign exchange, right? Not much different, right? 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters, 1 liter is 1,000 milliliters, and of course we even have computer science in the mix, with 1 gigabyte being 1,000 megabytes and 1 terabyte being 1,000 gigabytes. So how does that relate to what we're doing here? So first things first, we're going to write down the rate. And then we do one more thing after we do this. Now I might have fast forwarded a little bit, but we put the money that we know that we have already. All right, so my favorite guide is to say that when the box is on the right, we'll multiply, and when the box is on the left, we'll divide. So seeing that the box is on the left, we clearly have to divide. All right, so the number that you see, right, pointing to the 1 US, we're going to divide both of them by the 150. So whatever number is there, we're going to divide it by that number. So if it was 120, we divide both of them by 120, right? So the answer that we get after dividing 45,000 by 150, that answer we put in the box. All right, so there we have it. Our answer is 300 US. What if we had the question flipped? Sorry about that. Sorry. So now the question is, what amount of money is 300 US at a rate of 1 US to 150 Jamaican? So first thing, we write down the rate. Now what do we do from here? So by now, we should realize that our box is on the right. So what we're going to do this time is we're going to multiply. So we're going to be multiplying 300 by the 150. Right? Alright, so the numbers that you see on the right over there, that's the number you'll place in the box. And there you have it. If you ever knew the amount of work that goes into making these videos, like seriously, look at this, look at this. You see that? See that? Just the slightest shift, and all of a sudden, none of this is visible. You see that? Oh my God. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, the painful life of a content creator / teacher / advertiser. Here we go. Right? Hopefully everything on the board was visible. I mean, obviously you'll obviously let me know in the comment section, right? If everything was visible. But yes, all the announcements that you saw before, the first set was about the face-to-face classes that I'll be having at this location right here. So just to let you know, I'm very excited about that. It's the first time I actually have an actual location that people can literally come to me and ask questions and say, okay, where is it? How much is it? You know, so I know exactly what my timetable is for the face-to-face between Monday to Thursday, Saturday and Sunday. Monday to Thursday is for the adults, Saturday and Sunday for, you know, the high school and primary students. And then as for online now, online is, it's a bit of a reverse. So online classes I will do in the mornings, right? So I'll do that in the mornings. And then sorry, I'm getting distracted because I'm seeing a notification. So the online classes for Mondays to Thursdays, mornings. The online classes for Saturdays and Sundays will be in the evenings, right? So hopefully all of that was clear in the video, I hope, right? There's a lot of noise that I try to get out of the video as well. So again, thanks for watching, thanks for supporting. Anybody in the Caribbean, you are welcome to join my online classes. You press the WhatsApp button above the comment section, and if you have questions, please let me know. Like I said, I got my first message, I think it was last night, regarding, you know, they probably thought I was in their country, but I'm out here in Jamaica, and if you have no problem with me teaching your children or students online and you're in the Caribbean, please press the WhatsApp button and I will make that accommodation, right? Mondays to Thursdays, right, in the mornings, I will make that time available. So I will do my best where that's concerned. So early mornings, you know, once it's convenient to you, then I do that Mondays to Thursdays, and then of course Saturdays and Sundays would be in the evenings. So I hope this was clear, right? I'm not taking up all of your time for the day. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you around. All right. Wow, I feel a bit relieved. I don't know what happened yesterday, but I'm you know, I guess you have to work out the kinks, right? Just iron out a few other things. I just wasn't able to figure out why the audio wasn't working yesterday. But alas, I have resolved that issue, so I'm not in a panic anymore, right? Yeah, I've learned a lot from some of my colleagues, right? Because what I'm doing now would not have been possible if I had not learned it from her. Um, additionally, even some of the things that I've helped my father to do, setting up a Zoom and setting up a Zoom live stream and going through the process with him is the reason why I can do this sort of thing for my classes and for any live stream that I'm doing going forward. So a lot of times when things are exposed to us, regardless of whoever it is, you kind of have to be grateful for that exposure. So, I've had a teacher colleague teach me how to hotspot a device. And that's virtually how I am able to do this live stream right now. Because where I am, I can't pick up any Wi-Fi. So I have my unlimited data. I stream, well, sorry. So let me give you the order. Yeah, I forgot to mute at that point. So yes, I so let me see where I was. So the first thing I do is I have data on my phone. I go into the options where I create a hotspot. I go to my laptop, select it as a Wi-Fi option, connect to the hotspot, and then of course that would be my connection to Wi-Fi. After doing that now, once I'm online, I can go into Zoom, I sign in, and then I click start live stream. I pick whether or not I'm going to go live on Facebook or live on YouTube. Um, there's an ease to doing it on YouTube in comparison to doing it on Facebook. Facebook is a little bit more involved because what happens is that um, you have to select which of the pages you're going to stream to, right? So you can share to feed, you can share to wherever you choose to share it. Um, and then of course, yeah, sorry about that. So, um, yes, so yeah, the live stream to Facebook is a little bit more, so a little bit more involved. I I may be able to screen share that one day, and I think I know where I need to do it. But anyhow, I am going to go through another video. So while I'm on mute, I'm going to just switch to another video. So, while I wait on my students to show up, let me just do something like this real quick that I was showing to them. And of course, kill two birds with one stone. So we're trying to find the LCM. At the same time, we're going to invite anybody who is interested in classes that I'm going to be doing in the summer. So I'm just going to make this, again, 2-in-1. Right? So let's see. Alright, so I'm going to write the normal, I don't know if you can see that. I'm going to put I might be writing too tall, I don't know. So, I don't know. Let me try and there we go. So, factors go here, prime factors go here. Right? That's what I'm gonna do. Right? So we have 12 by 12. We have that. We have that, and we have what's this? That, right? So 12 times 12, we have this, and we have that. So then we're going to move on over. This is 4 times 3, which is also 2 times 2 times 3. And then this is 2 times 2 times 3. So I'm going to put 2, 2, 3, 3. Right? So 2 times 2 times 3 and 2 times 2 times 3. Right? Let's see how fast I can actually get this done. Alright, this is 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. So we have 3 2's and 3 3's, right? So we have that. Now we have to be careful with this because this is also 4 times 18. So this is 4 times 18. Now this is 2 times 9. So 2 times 9 is going to be 2 times 3 times 3. This is going to be 2 times 2. And this is going to be 2 times 2. So therefore we will have 5 2's and 2 3's. Then we're going to go here. And again, well, this is 4 3's if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 9 times 9, 3 times 3, 3 times 3. So we have 2 2's and 4 3's. So the trick that I picked up is that we're going to use the one that has the largest set of numbers, right? This has the largest number of 2's and it has 7 elements. So this has to. If we can't fit this number, then the rest of them not going to be able to fit. Right? So let's see. So I'm going to rewrite it. I'm going to rewrite that right now. Now that we have this, we can cross that out. Now let's check for the other numbers to see. We already have 2 times 2, which is here. So I can cross that out. We have 3. We have 4 2's and 2 3's. So we can cross out all of these.